Okay, hi, hello. This is Ryan Ahmed with you, and this is lesson 2 in ITCL, programming for object orientation in TCL scripting language. This lesson I'm going to talk about new properties in ITCL. We have the common variable here, owner, okay, and I've added the set owner just to set the owner, okay, which is a common trait inside the whole class. Okay, I'll make it nearer for you, just a second. And also I've added something new here called proc puts common variable owner, so it will print for me the common variable owner, and this is very important to talk about. And also I made another procedure here named puts info. Now the proc inside a class is unlike the method. The things that I've added are all in the perspective of Java and C++ called static variables and static functions, okay, and static methods. You know, though the static methods are accessed directly by the class name, they don't need any variable to or any object instantiation just to use it. You can just write on use it. The common variable here that I've added, the owner, is when it works, I mean, in a way that whenever any of the variables that are casted or you know, they are made by from the class car, as we see here, okay, if I set the owner, okay, it will be also known to the other objects of the same class car, so it's a shared value. Okay, so if, for example, I have the my car setting the owner John, okay, if motorbike sets it as Mary, with respect to my car it will be now Mary, okay, it's not John anymore. Okay, so if another variable, my truck, for example, okay, sets it as maybe Sam, it will add it, it will change it to Sam in all over the three variables. Okay, so it's a shared variable. Okay, we will show you how, as a proof that it works like that. So this is, we set the owner, as I said, using the constructors. It's the last variable inside the constructor. Okay, see, it's, as I said to you, John and Mary. And let's say I'll take them one by one. Okay, now this is here. Also, look, this is how I access the puts info, which is a proc here. Okay, so just type double colon the class name and then double colon the function name or procedure name, puts info, or whatever the function name is. Okay, now also here I have the my motorbike is calling the procedure, not the method here. Okay, puts common var owner. Okay, now here is the start of the app. Okay, so first of all it calls the puts info. So this is some info about the class car. It's used to make objects in TCL using ITCL. So it will go to this procedure here and just prints it. Okay, prints the symbols. And then again, let's, for example, because I've set the current owner of John, okay, for my car. So if I run the my car puts common var owner again, okay, you will see, instead of seeing here my car owner John, you see it my car owner Mary. Okay, but and this is the difference here. This is where what we know in C++ and Java as a static variable, a shared value. So see, it's now Mary. I've set it here as John. It should be in general. Okay, if I put just a variable here instead of common, okay, instead of the word common I put the word variable, it will be always John. Okay, now the next thing is directly accessing the procedure puts common variable owner. Okay, here from here to here, I mean. Okay, so it will print for me the variable who is owning the or running this function, okay, to give me the owner of all those cars made from the class car. Okay, so if I print it again, see, or cars owner Mary. Okay, now see, the first time it printed the variable name, the second time it printed the variable name, but when I access the function directly from the class name like a static function, you would wonder what's the replacement for this. I'm not using a variable here like my car or my motorbike, an object name, I mean. So so this is why I use anything, okay, any function with catch, okay, just to skip it. Okay, so for example, string length, anything that should use the $this, okay, and I can replace it with all cars. So this is just like jumping on the exception that I have here. Okay, so if I, for example, put this and put it as commented, okay, and of course you would expect that this will be replaced in the first one and the second one. See, here I will disable this now, and of course this line will disappear. Okay, so it disappeared here because I did not use it. Now I'm going to delete this and run the puts common var owner directly from the class name. See, it will say there's no this variable. So that's why I put this catch string, okay, catch statement, so I can skip this problem. Okay, and that's it. This is all about ITCL in regards to common variables and the common function. Okay, and that's it. Please subscribe to my channel. Please also don't forget to click the ads, and please also click the likes and type some comments asking some questions, and thanks for watching.